Hello guys! A lot of people are wondering how to convert WEBP to PNG formats. Although it is developed by Google intended as a replacement for JPEG, PNG files, in some cases you still can't edit WEBP files if it's not supported in some softwares, such as Photoshop 23.1 and before. So in this video, let me give you 3 methods to do the conversion. Now let's dive in. Method 1. Use Video Converter, highly recommended. Please don't try to change the extension name from WEBP to PNG directly. Don't ask me why, because I've tried it myself. It can't really change the format itself. Using a video converter is the way I highly recommend. Professional video converter can greatly save your time and energy and provide you with a good result. Take HitPaw Video Converter for instance. In the toolbox section, find the image converter. Then simply import your WEBP images. The software can handle them in batch. Next, choose PNG as the target format. And click on Convert All. Within seconds, these images will be changed to PNG files and restored in your device. Method 2. Use web extensions. If you don't want to use a desktop video converter, you may also use web extensions. Take Chrome for example. Go to the Chrome Web Store. Type in WEBP to PNG in the searching bar. Find an extension from here and add it to Chrome. Then, whenever you want to save a WEBP image on your device, just right-click and click on Save Image as PNG. The image will be restored as PNG file. However, you can only repeat this once a time. It doesn't support batch processing as previous method. Method 3. Use Online Video Converter. In some situations when you already have WEBP files, you may use Online Video Converter to change them to PNG files as well. Take HitPaw Online Image Converter for instance. Drag and drop the image on the web page. Then select PNG as the target format. Next, simply click on Convert and the image can be easily changed and saved in your local folder as PNG file. Alright, these are the 3 methods to convert WEBP to PNG format. The links of the tools I use are put in the description. If any of these methods help, please like and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thanks for watching. See you next time.